Hey guys, so we're back with another video today, guys. We're back with another video today. Alright, guys, so if you don't yet like our videos, if you don't yet subscribe to our channel, if you don't yet share content, guys, please do so because this here channel is a learning channel. Alright, guys, this is a learning channel and we want to teach you the ins and outs of graphic design, and we're focusing on Photoshop. All right, so guys, so we're focusing today on the quick selection tool, guys. So we're going to use a quick selection tool. So here we have a stock image that we got on Google Chrome. So we're going to use this quick selection tool, select it out of the image, as usual. We're going to paste it to a another image. All right, guys, so let's go. All right, so we're gonna start by selecting our image or the airplane right here, guys. So you just take your time, hover over it, say select your image. Whoa. All right, guys, now we got miss here. All right, so we're gonna take our time, select our image for guys. All right, so this is not the best tool for selecting an object, no, but we have to teach you every single thing re Photoshop because this channel is a learning channel and I want you to catch every single thing, guys. All right, guys, so here what, you have adding and subtracting in most things. All right, so in Photoshop you have add a selection or subtract from the selection. So when you hold on shift, look at it, when you hold on shift, it goes to the add. When you let go of shift, it goes back to the minus. All right, so like here that the selection didn't catch, we're gonna subtract that from it. So we really gonna do just let go of shift and all right there. So it's gonna subtract the areas that are not selected. All right, guys, so you get a better selection within your for your airplane. All right, guys, so just take your time and just hover over your target, hold on shift to get a plus or add in to your selection, and you should be fine. So but as I said before, it's not the best on selecting, but it does the job same way. Alright, guys, so our airplane has been selected. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna we have a lot of ways can get this out of it, but I'm gonna show you the easy way. So you're gonna go to edit, copy. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy our image right here onto this beautiful waterfall. Wow, it's breathtaking. Alright, we're gonna copy right there. Oh, it's at the back. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our move tool and just click it and scale it down. Alright, guys, we're gonna scale it down. Alright, and it's because it's behind the waterfalls, we're gonna put it in front. Beautiful. What we're gonna do, I have a next image right there, and that's a cloud background. We're gonna go to drag it to the waterfall, and we're gonna scale it up to the side, basically up to the size or off the size of the whole document itself. All right, so fix it up. Oh, nice, beautiful. All right, and let's drag it right below the waterfall. Wow, that's awesome. Have our plane here, beautiful. So we made a selection, guys, and watch here, voila, our plane is soaring to new heights, soaring to new heights. Remember, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, guys, and see you tomorrow for our next episode. All right, guys.